Music matters so much to us as a brand because, I mean, it's the third person in every conversation in the hotel.
I need my juicer to be ignited and love the music. Otherwise, the guest coming into his home won't love it.
Music is an important part of people's homes. Sound is an important part too. The music could change the experiences dramatically.
When it comes to customer experience, every single detail is crucial, and it's astonishing what music can do.
Of course, there is a soundtrack to a room set, as it is a smell to a room set, and it's also something that people have a tendency to remember.
The importance of music for our brand is essential. Music is everywhere.
To stay modern and relevant, we wanted to use the largest and most dynamic music platform available.
So when we heard about Soundtrack, I was so excited because it was the music system that we had always wanted, but it never existed yet.
I saw the whole procedure of installing, maintaining, managing, and then actually using the product.
We have 55 hotels around the world. All of a sudden, we have the platform to be able to curate on a local level, but on a global scale. Soundtrack actually helps us pay the artists for every song that we play.
And in the end, it's so easy to use for our employees, the juicers out in the bar. So it's win-win-win.
When you think about the relationships we have across the music industry, how could we possibly do it any other way if doing it this way?
God damn! We are music!